Hey guys, today we got a high-rise top by ARE. Fits the 99 to 07 Ford Super Duties with the short bed. This one's in decent shape. Fiberglass is pretty good. So it has some scratches and scuffs on it. You got some scratches there. The top looks pretty good. Top edge of the top. Down through here looks pretty good. Got some scuffs. This may have been repainted because it's got some scuffs and stuff that have been painted over, so it may have been repainted in its lifetime. It's got some scuffs right here, some scratches through here. The bottom edge, it's got some black caps on it. Looks like they screwed it to the rail. I'm not sure. Previous owners have somehow attached this to the rail from the inside of the top. And they put black screw caps over it to kind of hide the screws. It has some scratches on the paint here, right there. I mean, it's not a bad looking unit from a distance. Paint looks good in between the two windows. A little bit of a stone chip there, and a couple little small chips right there. Does have the half side sliding window with the double bays in the back. Front is a picture window. Oh yeah, it looks like it was touched up maybe with a, I'm not sure, it's got some overspray right here, so they might have fixed it at one point in time. Front edge looks pretty decent. When you get to the very top, you'll see there's a scratch down through the center. It's a little taller unit, so they've hit something. Pulling into a garage or something, probably scuffed the top. A little bit of paint wear right there. A little more paint wear right there. And a little bit of scratches right there. It does have the sliding window to access from the cap to the cab and the cab to the cap. Closes back up again. There's a little bit of a scratch right there. Other than that, the top edge looks pretty decent on this side as well. Back edge looks pretty decent. Get down here, you got some scratches. Some scuffs in here. Same thing on this side. Looks like they've attached some screws into the rail on the inside, and then they've put black caps over it to hide the screws. Little paint marks, just got some scratches there, and it's not a perfect unit by any means. Some scratches right there. Half side sliders on this side as well, double bay. I mean, like I said, you get back here, it don't the screw covers don't stick out really bad, so not too bad looking. Double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just a bare fiberglass. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look like the windows leak at all, because typically there'll be signs of leakage on the inside of these windows. This one doesn't seem to have it. Screens on this side's got a hole right there, pretty good sized hole there. Other than that, screens are pretty decent all the way through here. The screen on this side has a small hole right there. Double bay windows. There it is, an ARE high-rise model. Fits the 1999 to 2007 Ford Super Duty trucks with a 6.7 bed. That's a 6 3/4 bed. Short bed. The color, below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, find out which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online. make arrangements to pick it up online. It can all be done through there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, things like that, those are available as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.